What's up, guys? Welcome back to another video. Hopefully you guys have been enjoying my videos lately. I'm new to all of this, but in today's video I want to bring you guys along to add a better audio. I feel like the Explorer ST is lacking on some good audio for the price you pay for this car, even though it's like the luxury or like the higher package. One thing it's missing is some good audio. I contacted my boy Chris at Capital Customs, located in Colony, New York, in the Capital Region, and they'll be taking care of my baby for some nice upgrades. I trust this business a lot because they actually previously worked on my other cars in the past years. Let's go. I feel like these, I don't know what Ford be using, but they use the B&O sound system. I feel like Ford can do a much better job in their like audio. I feel like it's not the best paying for like a premium car. We want like good audio, good bass, good treble, good everything. Well, in today's video we'll be going to Capital Customs for our appointment in the morning, and they'll be adding the subwoofer, connecting it base level, so I can just turn it with the little knob. That's like a really good feature I never had. Hopefully that's really sick. And little module, hopefully explains it. Hopefully the guys explains it for me very well. They seem very professional. They know what they're doing. I've previously done work with them, so it's always been a pleasure and just good work from them. All right, but what's up, guys? Yo, what's your name by any chance?
Chris.
Chris, nice to meet you, Chris.
So we just did a sub and amp install with a kicker 800 to 1, right for you. No panels missing, nothing cracked, damaged. Your amplifier is actually behind this, so it's actually really nice and enclosed.
Oh, you actually like hit it?
Oh yes, yep.
Oh, it's hidden.
Yep. So this panel pops off. When that panel pops off, your amplifier, everything's right behind there. It is on a beauty board. It's not hard to get to. Yeah. You just have to pop that panel, just in case you ever wanted to get back there. We were gonna mount it here, but it won't look right. So made it look a little bit better because it's hidden, tucked away. This is a 12-inch. Oh, 12-inch 12-inch kitchen comp bar, yep.
And you guys hit all the wires? Like,
everything is hidden down the whole pillar, so we can take a look.
It's just down all through this, all through this, all down there?
Yep, all the way through. Comes all the way out. You have your kicker base knob here. Got your remote signal near the fuse box, which is behind here. And then your power wire, everything ran through the boot, straight into the ignition. Yep.
Where can we find you?
Capital Customs.
Capital Customs in Albany, right?
Yep, Albany, New York.
All right, thank you, though. Appreciate it. Thank you for the work. You guys work good.
Thank you for the business.
Check them out, all right? I want to say thank you to DraftKings, but we have won successfully on DraftKings. We won a couple of wins to manage to get one of these bad boys. Thank you at Kicker, at DraftKings. Thank you guys for showing support, showing my gambles going up. But please, ladies and gentlemen, this is a disclaimer. Do not gamble every day. Please be safe gambling. But I want to say thank you to my team, Boldo. They won me big time. And yeah, thank you. Kicker Comp R. This is a 12-inch subwoofer. Kicker makes one of the best subwoofers. I recommend them. I really hope you guys check them out. A bass leveler. Look at that. You guys can see, so it's kind of no, it's on low. This is halfway. There's like an indentation. There's like a little indentation where you can like, see the level of it. I want to say thank you to Capital Customs in Colony. They did a wonderful job. They hid the pan. Look, you can't even see it, Junior. Everything is hidden. Everything is, as you can see here, they hid all the cables on here, all the way down there, all the way down there, all the way down there. I don't even know what they did to connect it. And then he told me, the gentleman over there, very nice guy too, shout him out too. He hid everything. Everything is just aligned. So I really recommend them, guys. Let's see what the audio is like. I want to play some non-copyrighted music. Hopefully YouTube is not gonna copyright my video. I don't know how the copyright thing works yet. See if you guys like my music. Disclaimer, I am not, this is all AI, I'm not driving and filming. It's AI right now. Hopefully you guys like some Chris MJ. Woo. I kind of spoke too soon, guys. As I'm editing the video, I've done my research and I want to comply to YouTube's law, copyright rules or stuff like that. So for the following rest of the video, if there's music gonna be playing, I will be adding non-copyrighted music. Thank you. Yo, the mirrors be shaking. Aunque sea egoísta, solo te quiero pa' mí. Dime si estás lista, que voy pasando por ti. Cuando te pongan for, disfruto de la vista. A pecar, tu cuerpo me invita. Tú eres agua y yo con sed. Sácame del desierto. Yeah, it's kind of max. We're at halfway. So the knob is like, it's like halfway at the knob. right, thank you guys for watching it up to this point of the video. Hopefully you guys can like and subscribe. I have a lot of future plans for this car. I want to change the exhaust, put a nice hitch, change the lights, delete this, put some nice modifications in the exhaust. I want to put a colder intake, blow-off valve, all of that. Please continue watching for this channel to grow. And thank you guys. Please like and subscribe and continue watching Angel Melendez. Thank you.